What's up, YouTube? Big Daddy here. Time for another food review. Today we're sitting outside of Dairy Queen and we are checking out the all-new DQ Sour Patch Kids Blizzard. This is their Blizzard, their, what do they call it? The sponsor or the commercial Blizzard of the month or of the summer. They have a whole bunch of different flavors, but the Sour Patch Kids is their one that they're doing that's a brand name. So here we go. This, I want to...
Do you know what's in it?
Vanilla ice cream, Sour Patch Kids.
No, redberry flavored soft serve.
Redberry? Mm-hmm. Redberry flavored soft serve? Mm-hmm. What is redberry?
I don't know, the red...
All right,
guy?
red mystery guest. She's got all the good deets. Redberry flavored soft serve,
And then
Sour Patch Kids,
Mm-hmm.
And that's it. So here we go.
Did they serve it upside down?
They did serve it upside down. They did get it upside down. Sour Patch Kids. Let's do this.
It's because of the red berry. Whatever that is. They're chewy because they're cold.
So, it's got the flavor of the Sour Patch Kids, no doubt. It's very sour. 1 second. And but it's also got the sweetness from the Redberry soft serve. But like the mystery guest said, here, right? Take a bite with your spoon. Like the mystery guest said, they're chewy because they're cold. You got fireworks going off in the distance. But it is good. It's very tasty. Mystery guest, did you want to try it? A bite? Mm-hmm. All right. And John, he's back there with his peanut butter lovers. He's good.
And my 3DS.
You want another bite, right?
Yes.
All right. Thought you didn't want it.
She didn't know if she'd like
Okay,
it.
so now that extra spoon that I got you to not get germs, now it's too late. Now I'm going to have germs.
Great.
Yay! I'm going to be sick. Yay. Let's hope not. Let's hope not. But this is pretty good. I like it. It's got a sour flavor to it. The only thing that I would say is because the gummies are cold, they're very chewy, so it's not a texture that I appreciate. But it is still a very good, flavorful Blizzard. So because of that fact, on a scale of 1 to 10, I am going to give the DQ Sour Patch Kids Blizzard an 8 out of 10. It's pretty good. I think you should go check it out if you're a Sour Patch Kids. If you like sour candy, definitely go to DQ and check it out. And let me know what you think in the comments down below. And that's all I got to say. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Hit subscribe. Tap that notifier bell so you know when the next video comes out. And remember, before you take the first bite, you got to stuff it in your pie hole. We're out.